Nthi ya Kenya Yikwatiania na Nthi Ingi Kutania Muthenya wa Alimu Vena Vata Munee wa Silikali Kuendee na Kumatuiika na Kumokilya Alimu Ukwati ni Kana Kuikiithya Maundu ma Kisomo Nimaaila woni witano kuma maovisaki vathokanya Maundu ma Kisomo ukamba wa mwalala mailesia mavata onthe ma Alimu nimailite kuthinikiwa kwa mituki. Daniel Mwangela ni mwandiki witu wa mauvo.
Mawisa mainene aba mawisini ma Kenya Connect ala memwara nimailese kana Alimu nimailite kuendea na utuikwa nikenda wailu wa Kisomo wende na ukuzi wa Nthi ya Kenya.
The child sits at the center of our work, and we know that without empowering the teacher, then we are not able to empower the child. So today we are celebrating the work, the outstanding work that the teachers in our partner schools and across the country, around the globe, are doing to empower children, because teachers are key and critical. We believe that once we empower the teacher, we are empowering the child. We believe that education is critical in changing the economic landscape of our country. So if we don't invest in education, then our future is not bright. The current challenge I see in education is that we need to provide more resources for the child to be able to thrive. We need to invest in resources, especially with the competency-based education. It needs a lot of resources, and so I call upon the stakeholders to invest a lot in capacity building the teachers, especially on areas of technology, so that they can be able to deliver 21st century learning among the learners.
Alimu na mevikire cha thiniki cha kutubwa na kunewa mithenzi onundu wa wia ula alimu methitwe maithukuma nimailese kana Silikali neelite kuendea na umakwata mbau maikathia muno wia ula alimu makuna.
And teachers, right from ECD early childhood education, because these are the people who are modeling these learners to a point, before they move to the other stage, that is primary section. So the ECD teachers have really done a lot of the work, but you see these teachers are normally paid by the county government, and I think we as the commission, we really help them by monitoring what they normally do, because they need to go as per.
Wazo tunazopitia kama sisi walimu wakati huu ambapo CBE iko in progress, lack of resources in the schools. Napata CBE, it's much to learner doing. We need resources. We don't have the resources. The government does not provide the resources, and the parents are not able also to buy the resources.
Daniel Mwangela, Mutongo TV, kuwaanza umovisi ma Kenya Connect mwala kauntini ya Masako.